Hi friends, happy Tuesday. So I'm not sure if my other video in Friday's email was playable. Like I uploaded it to YouTube, I did the things, I put it in the email. I want to know if you guys actually saw it. Maybe I did something wrong. So if you landed on this one, can you please take a quick microsecond to comment below this video on YouTube and let me know that you've seen it, because I don't know what I'm doing wrong, and the only way I can do that is if you give me feedback. So it is Tuesday. I've been looking at this doTERRA box for over a week now, and I need to unbox it. And so I thought might as well show you what the heck was in it, because I want to. And it helps me talk about products that I know how to use them, and maybe I just haven't shared them like my brain thinks I have in a while. So, you know, I'm human. Terrazymes. As you know, Oliver and I use these every single day. They're really good at helping digest your food and the Franken food we eat, so our bodies aren't working as hard. Every single meal, everyone should be taking these. They are phenomenal. If you have liver issues, like fatty liver, if you have gallbladder issues, you 1,000,000,000% need to be on those. Just saying. So that is a must, and this is every single day, every single month that's in our arsenal. And then I bought PB Assist. So this, I'm looking at it because this tastes like a pixie stick. When I have a sweet tooth, I lean into it. When I take my VMG, I put this inside my VMG because it just tastes really good. And why not? It has 7 billion live cells. It's just a very good gut complex that helps my body do what it wants to do. And I need all the help I can get, right? So let's talk about omegas. Omegas, we as a society in the States are very deficient in our omegas, or we're getting not enough omegas. So this essential oil complex, nobody else can duplicate it, for one, because it has wild orange essential oil in it. And we have been taught that because of wild orange essential oil, it's like unlocked another level of awesomeness when it comes to the bioavailability, to when it comes to how powerful it is in our body. And so just to throw some numbers at you, if you're a numbers person, the fish oil is 2,000 milligrams. The EPA is 200. The total omega-3s is 900. The DHA is 600. And other omega-3s is 100 with wild orange essential oil. And I'm telling you, it doesn't taste like fish. It just doesn't. You can pop this in your mouth, or if you can swallow larger pills, then you can just swallow it down. I didn't realize how much I got. I honestly kind of forgot. That's what happens when you just sit with a box of doTERRA and don't open it as soon as you get it. PB Restore. PB Restore is amazing for your gut microbiome. We have multiple microbiomes, by the way. We have a ton. So this is going to your gut microbiome. We want it to be happy. We want it to be flourishing. We want the good bacteria in there. This print is too small for me to read to you. Just trust when I tell you your body will thank you if you're on a good pre and postbiotic. When you are ingesting, and I don't know if you use everything of doTERRA or if you've been contemplating to use it or not, friends, if you're in search for a pre and postbiotic, then that would be for you. Okay, Super Mint, because Super Mint is one of my husband's favorite essential oils. It's really good if you have PCOS. It's really good for decreasing the hair growth. It is really good for your digestive system. It's really good at elevating your mood, and it tastes delicious in tea. Friends, spearmint is delicious. Then I got frankincense because my order was over 125 PV. So I got a free bottle, 85 drops of joy, of this bad boy right here. So thankful. Thank you, doTERRA, because you didn't have to do that. And then because my order was over 200 PV. I know. I wasn't planning on it. And then they were like, yeah, here's a rose. Friends, this is over $60 right here. I'm going to open it because it's that good. Now, I'll tell you, it's not my husband's favorite. Actually, he does not prefer it. I love rose. I love what it does for me. I love the aroma, but I try not to use it around him. So right now my door is shut, so he doesn't get the waft of rose. Okay, oh hey, doTERRA Living Guide. They make these small. Do you remember how large these were? They were like a magazine, like a tabletop magazine. Well, things change, things happen, and they've decided to go small, which I'm not mad at. I'm really not. Save paper, why not? This is super cute. Huh. I'll have to look into it. And actually, this is easier to share. If I'm being honest, this is easier to share. So that might not stay with me the whole time. We shall see. Okay, 2 more products, guys. 2 more products. Trying to make this short and sweet. The VMG. V, vitamins. M, wow, I'm dyslexic over here. Minerals, G, green. VMG plus. It is massively bioavailable, meaning we don't have expensive urine when we take VMG. Now, some people still love lifelong vitality. Y'all do you. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm here to share what I do and what I've learned and hopefully help you make better decisions for yourself. I love this because it's not swallowing 12 pills a day. I love how it tastes. It doesn't taste like crap. Just being honest, it doesn't. I like adding wild orange if I want to. Like I said, I also incorporate the PP Assist because it tastes like a pixie stick and it's delicious. It's gluten-free, no GMOs. It's clean, it's vegan. It's all the things. Please tell me what is better. Like if you have a vitamin that is just hitting the mark for you and it's not doTERRA, please let me know because I want to do my research. If there's a better one out there, let me know. So far, I have not found it. So I will be consuming VMG until I am proven wrong. Okay, doTERRA Endless Summer Hair and Body Mist. I tried this. Oh, sorry, I didn't show you. Here you go. I tried this at Leadership this year in San Diego. And look at the bottle. Super cute. Was this a need? Absolutely not. It was so not a need. Was it a want? Yeah. So I got it. Okay. Oh, yeah. Still smells amazing. Still smells amazing. Ooh, I like it. And I just cut my hair, so I have less hair to spray it in, which is great. Can you believe it? Guys, look at this. My hair ends right here. I know. Blowing your mind. I cut off over 14 inches of my hair yesterday. I know. Don't worry, it grows back. I'm blessed enough to have it grow back. So I'm excited. Friends, this was like a tangent, but I'm glad you're here. I'm glad I showed you what I had. I'm curious what you got this month in your rewards order. I like to call it my wellness loot because every month we get wellness loot and it makes me happy. I know the things that we're doing every single day over time add up, and I am almost 40 years old. I am almost middle-aged, and I want to make sure that I'm making smarter decisions on a more consistent basis so my body has the best opportunity to be healthy long-term and in my sunset years. Friends, I'm here for you. Y'all have my number. Most of you do, by the way, so you can use it. Connect with me. If you have questions, let me know. I am going to get to you as soon as I can. You are a priority of mine, and I appreciate you so damn much. Okay, friends, until next time.